Guys, so I got a 2003 Ford Expedition XLT. So today what I'm going to be changing is going to be a EGR pressure sensor that's located right here on this side. I just have to remove this cover, so I have to remove these right here, these nuts. These nuts are 10 millimeter, and then once I remove that, I remove this clip right here, and I remove this clip right here, and it should be ready to come off. As always, disconnect the battery. So this is how your EGR pressure sensor looks like. This EGR sensor is broken, needs to be replaced, and I already removed mine. It's really easy to remove. You see those two, these take a 8 millimeter. I already took mine. I'm gonna replace this one. I'm gonna leave it like this. Okay, now we're gonna tighten it. Okay, here. Okay,